Dear viewer, the President of Afghanistan, Dr. Ashraf Ghani, is currently visiting Pakistan. He has interacted with the top leadership of Pakistan, including the Prime Minister of Pakistan. He has a one-on-one interaction with the Prime Minister in Islamabad before going on to the delegation level talks. What is the most important and what is unique in the current visit of Dr. Ashraf Ghani to Pakistan? I think this is for the first time in the history of Pakistan-Afghan relation that this visit is unlike all the other visits, whether done by President Karzai or Dr. Ashraf Ghani. The reason is historically Pakistan was blamed inside Afghanistan for having favorites in Afghanistan. Either it was with the one group or the other group. But now for the first time this visit shows that Pakistan has balanced itself inside Afghanistan among all the groups, whether it is Taliban, whether it is the President Ghani's opposition or the government. The reason is Pakistan is historically blamed for having good relation with the Taliban, and that was the reason that Pakistan was unable to play a robust role in the Afghan peace process, because always whenever Pakistan took a step, it was accused either by the government or by the opposition for playing favorites inside Afghanistan. But now the situation has turned a total turnaround. Look, Pakistan has a very good relation, no doubt, with the Taliban, and that's the reason that Pakistan has convinced the Taliban to sit with the American and negotiate peace. Americans are accepting it, Afghans are accepting it, other interlocutors are accepting it, that Pakistan has done a facilitated role in the current, in the ongoing peace process between Afghan Taliban and the US. A week earlier, on the 22nd of June, a very big delegation of the Afghan opposition, including top Pakistan opponent like Muhammad Hanif Atmar, Ata Muhammad Noor, and Ustad Muhakkik, the deputy of Dr. Abdullah, Kareem Khalili, the chairman of the High Peace Council, Anwarul Haq Ahadi, the head of his own political party, Hamid Gilani, and above all, Gulbuddin Hekmatyar. They visited Pakistan for 2 days. They were here. They interacted with the Pakistani leadership. Now President Ghani is in Pakistan. Now it shows that all the opposition who might have accused President Ghani for visiting Pakistan and demanding something for Afghans from the Pakistani government, which they accused historically for playing against the interest of Afghan government inside Afghanistan. So now this time, when President Ghani is here, he already knew it, that all the oppositions have visited Pakistan before him. They interacted with the Pakistani Prime Minister, the security and the political leaders. Now Pakistan is in a much better position to play its role. It will be more confident, and I think it must be more robust in it. The reason is, now nobody will blame. Neither Taliban will say that it is siding with the government, neither government will say it is siding with the Taliban, or the opposition will accuse vice versa. So now I think this is an ideal situation, and I hope and I believe that Pakistan will definitely play its part. The reason is that this new initiative of Lahore process, why the Lahore process is initiated, I think Pakistan is going to take all this Afghan affairs in its own hand. Pakistan succeeded in bringing all the opposition leaders to Pakistan. Pakistan succeeded in bringing Dr. Ashraf Ghani here. Pakistan succeeded in bringing Taliban to Pakistan. So now the next step will be, let all the three set together, and I think that is the ultimate goal which Pakistan is going to play, and Pakistan wants to play, I think. And I heard that during interaction with the Pakistani political leaders, Dr. Ashraf Ghani has asked the Pakistani leaders to facilitate Afghan Taliban and the government, the government talks, that the Afghan Taliban sit with the government leaders and negotiate peace with them. Now I think what Pakistan will do is, after balancing itself inside Afghanistan, having good relation with the opposition, with the government and with the Taliban. So I think Pakistan is in an ideal position now. Nobody will accuse it, and I think all will support it, and all are supporting the Pakistan's role. The opposition has, I think they appreciated the Pakistan's new efforts. The government is appreciating it. The international community is appreciating it. So I think that mindset within Afghanistan, and that a type of heartburn in Pakistan, which was accused for anything happening bad in Afghanistan, I think that is over now. And it's not only, I think, we have to appreciate the role played by the Chinese government, by the Russian, and including the Americans, because this this new, what we call it, the new development in Afghanistan and Pakistan, I think definitely it is not only the work of Pakistani leaders and the Afghan leaders. Definitely the Russian have played a role in it, the Chinese have played a role in it, and no doubt the Americans have played a role in it. Now it means that we are getting closer to the goal, and the goal is having a peace in Afghanistan, end of war, end of conflict, and a peaceful, stable Afghanistan. So I think once Afghanistan is getting stabilized, the whole region will stabilize, and the more benefit will be, I think, will be the two countries, one in Pakistan and the other in Afghanistan. So that's why I want to share that this visit of Dr. Ashraf Ghani is much, much different and more, I think, beneficial for the region, for Pakistan and for Afghanistan.